5 reasons you need to replace your F5 load balancer. There are many options available to IT teams when it comes to choosing load balancers for their organizations. At present, for many organizations, the default choice is to buy from F5. This is the latest in a long line of IT industry maxims of the form, nobody ever got fired for buying F5. F5 may not be the best solution for every project, and organizations can get a better solution to meet their needs with much lower costs. You may not get fired for buying F5, but you'll definitely not get fired for saving your organization a significant amount of money while delivering a technical solution that's easier to deploy and manage than F5. Kemp LoadMaster load balancers provide these benefits. In the sections below, we list 5 reasons why Kemp LoadMaster may be a better choice than F5. Reason 1. Complexity. F5 has many interacting layers in the product, and each has a specific function. In many cases, only some of the available functions get used. The F5 license you buy will enable those and leave the other unused functions disabled. But the problem is that this unused code expands the attack surface for cybercriminals and needs to be updated when system updates are available, even when you are not using the functionality. The management interfaces are also made more complex by having these layers of functionality that you may not use. They are still present in the UI, and any training offered for F5 will include how to configure and manage everything. Often overkill if you simply want to load balance some application servers. Many F5 customers tell us that managing an F5-based infrastructure is a full-time role for someone in their IT team. Reason 2. Hardware and software inconsistency. The F5 hardware appliance uses custom chipsets to deliver dedicated functionality. This is a good approach when designing and making hardware devices that organizations put into private data centers. But the world has moved on rapidly in the last few years, and deployment models today are predominantly based on virtualization, the cloud, and some on-premise hardware in hybrid deployment models. The LoadMaster hardware devices use industry-standard silicon and components, and for that reason, there is no custom code to control dedicated chipsets. Deploying, configuring, and managing a LoadMaster-based infrastructure is independent of the deployment method. So you can pick the best approach for every application that is to be load balanced. Reason 3. F5 iRules require advanced programming skills. F5 uses iRules to allow you to do anything you want via programming. I know only 5% use iRules since you need to be a competent developer to create iRules. Even if your organization has programmers on staff, do you really want them to spend time creating iRule scripts to add features to network equipment? I suspect not. Reason 4. All I want is a load balancer. When we interact and consult with organizations looking to make their applications available and performant, we find that about 90% of all projects just need good load balancing functionality that is fast, secure, and easy to manage. All other layers of additional functionality included in F5 deployments are just adding complexity, as we mentioned above. Bonus reason 5. Support and customer satisfaction. I think it is an important differentiator between Kemp, F5, and other load balancer vendors. The customer reviews for Kemp and LoadMaster products and support eclipse those of other load balancer vendors. This is true across multiple third-party industry review sites. For an example, see the Gartner Peer Insights ADC page. Conclusion. It'll not come as a surprise to anyone that we think that LoadMaster is the best choice for most organizations that need load balancers. We do recognize that there are some situations where deploying F5 will make more sense. But we don't think it should be your default choice due to inertia or lock-in. If you are looking for some new load balancers, then take a look at LoadMaster. If you have F5 infrastructure in place, when it comes time to refresh, look at what LoadMaster can do to reduce your refresh costs and ongoing management overhead. Contact Cloudway to talk about any topic related to LoadMaster, including extended trials and hardware device trials if required. www.cloudway.co.il